I'm Arushakir from 4B. I'm going to do a science experiment. So, for this you need is a glass of hot steaming water and a plate and some ice cubes. So, first what you have to do is you have to take the plate and put on the glass. And then slowly put some ice cubes on the plate. You can see little dots like a raining. And you can also see that the ice cubes are melting. So I hope you like it. Thank you.